What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play It Depends by Chris Brown featuring Bryson Tiller. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description and pinned comment below, so you can refer to that if you need to. And now here's an example of what the song is going to sound like. Bad as hell, I treat you well, I will. It's good, I can tell. Come give me hell, come here. Your fairy tale, under your spell, I am. She gets Chanel, oh, when it all depends. You screaming, yeah, can't call from hell from here. You leaving wells, I feel your nails for real. I eat you good, you sleeping good for real. I freak you well, I freak you well, I will. Real quick, guys, if you'd like to donate to the channel to keep these tutorials going, I have my Venmo and my Cash App up on the screen right now. I do my very best with these videos. I put a lot of effort into it. I come up with the chords by ear when I listen to these songs, and I do my best to communicate it to you guys as clearly as possible. So I appreciate everyone who's donated so far. And now back to the video. As y'all can see, I have a capo on the 2nd fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You only need to know 4 chords for the entire song. Those 4 chords are C sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, and G sharp minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. All right, y'all. First chord is C sharp minor 7. So we're gonna bar the 4th fret, and we're gonna put our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string, and it's gonna sound like this. Next chord is A major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is F sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is G sharp minor 7, so we're going to keep that same chord shape, and we're just going to slide up to the 4th fret. So now we're barring the 4th fret, and it's going to sound like this. And that is the chord progression exactly in that order. If we think about this in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when it comes to the strumming pattern, I'm going to play the chord progression, and I'm going to put the strumming pattern here on the bottom left of your screen, so just pay close attention. So that's one way you can do the strumming pattern, but like I always say, if you have another way that you want to strum it, by all means go ahead. You are the creator, so you have the ability to do so, but that is how you play the song. Alright, y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it really helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them when I can. I don't consider myself an expert by any means, but I like to help out the community where I can with the knowledge that I have. While you are here, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more tutorials like this, and I also want to invite you to follow my other social media pages. I have Instagram and TikTok. I'm going to link those in the description and pinned comment down below, so you can follow me there if you want to. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen go ahead and check that one out. I think you'll like this one as well. And I'll see y'all on the next one.